So this is one of the first projects we did when we moved into our house a couple years ago. As you can see, this laundry room configuration was just not going to cut it. So I do what I always do, and I tell my husband I want to change it. This time we decided to try and knock it out in a weekend, and we started by ripping out everything and taking it out of the room so we could figure out the layout. Like most of our projects, we don't really have a plan until we kind of get into it, and this was no different. So after we got everything moved, we then decided to change around the placement of the washer and dryers and start cutting. So instead of using new cabinetry, we just cut down our existing ones to fit. My husband then needed to take out the existing tile. Luckily, we had some upstairs that still worked for the space. So next up was to add board and batten walls to the bottom of the room. We used primed MDF boards and also put this block at the bottom so that we could use the existing baseboards. Another thing we added in the space was this peel and stick wallpaper. Even on our textured walls, it's worked perfect over the last couple years. Let's revisit our before and now our after. This is, to date, one of my favorite projects we've ever done in our house. It's so much more functional, it's definitely a lot prettier, and I get compliments on this space all the time. Follow for more.